All right, let's pick up the pace. We've been playing half notes and quarter notes, maybe even some eighth notes, but 16th notes are twice as fast. Here are quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes. Let's play a few rhythms on the E string using 16th notes. Let's accent the first of 4 16th notes. The way that we accent 16th notes is by keeping our hands and our fingers very loose, but putting a little bit more index finger pressure, just digging into the string very slightly so that the first note of the 16th note group pops. Here are a few rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take the first rhythm, ta-ka, ta-ka, ta-ta, and let's play in A major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your right arm is moving beautifully, but let's pick up the pace with your left hand. Now let's play 2 16th notes to every note on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, each note gets 1 16th note. To move this fast, let your left hand fingers hammer strongly on the string. But keep your hand light and springy at the same time. Let's listen to my left hand without the bow. You can still hear how my fingers hit the string. Lift your fingers high and come down onto the string from well above the first knuckle of the previous finger. If you ever get tired doing this, take your time and rest, but this is a great way to build finger strength and clear articulation of notes. Let's play the scale in 16th notes one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add an accent on the beginning of each group. And now, finally, let's try slurring 4 notes at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4.